So friends, if you're planning to decorate your house, then you need to check out the PVC fluted panels because these panels are the trending right now, and for the good reason. They are stylish, affordable and super easy to install. So friends, in this video I'm going to share what are the PVC fluted panels, their pros and cons, where to use them, and what is the installation process and how much it will cost for installing these PVC panels. So first we understand what are the PVC fluted panels. These panels are the decorative wall panels made from the PVC with vertical grooves that add a sleek, modern texture to any space. Unlike boring old PVC sheets, these panels gives you a luxe and 3D effect which are perfect for the ancient walls, bedrooms, living rooms or the feature wall. It has some beautiful advantages like first one is the stunning aesthetic. It can instantly upgrade the plain walls. It is lightweight and easy to install, and it is cheaper than wood, WPC or marble. It is budget friendly, and it is very low in a maintenance, just wipe with the clean and the damp cloth. Unlike the wood or metal, it is termite and rust proof, but you should avoid near the kitchen because it is not the heat resistant, and it is also not for the outdoors because in the sunlight it can fade the color. So friends, now we're going to discuss how much it will cost for installing the PVC fluted panels. Actually, the price totally depends upon the quality of the materials. Actually, the price starts from only the materials price is 45 rupees starting per square feet. It will go to 60 to 70 rupees per square feet. So it totally depends upon the quality of the material. And in labor charges will start from 15 to 20 rupees per square feet for installing these panels. So for the total for material plus labor charges will cost from 50 rupees per square feet to 80 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the locations and the area wise. So let's assume that our wall size is 10 by 10 square feet. So the total area of the wall is 100 square feet. So we will take this at 60 rupees per square feet. So the total fluted panels will cost you almost 6,000 rupees, including everything like material plus labor cost. So it is very cheap compared to WPC or PVC panels. So friends, you can use these panels anywhere in the living room like the feature wall which is a TV unit panel, or you can use in the bedrooms for the headboard of the bed. Any feature wall of the house you can use these panels, like accent wall behind the sofa. Even you can use in bathroom where because it is waterproof and stylish. In a bedroom backdrop for the bed. Even you can use in the office and showrooms also. So there may be a doubt in your mind that are they worth it? So if you want a luxury look on a budget, yes, but if you want ultra premium, go with the WPC or natural materials. So friends, if your budget is tight, so you can go with these PVC fluted panels. There's some beautiful advantages like aesthetic appeal. The design of these panels is so stunning that they give your walls a modern and luxurious vibe. And you get a varieties of colors, texture and finishes to match your home decor. Another, these panels are highly resistant, meaning water doesn't affect them. So this makes them suitable for even in the bathrooms or humid areas. Also, these panels offer a wooden texture like finish that looks extremely premium. So compared to wooden panels or stone cladding, these panels are very lightweight. They can be easily installed using the adhesive or screws. And it is very durable. These panels are highly durable because they are resistant to termite and rust, and they have the long lifespan. So comparing to WPC lowers or wooden panels or marble cladding, these panels are more affordable, making them a budget friendly option. And it is very easy in maintenance also. Just clean them with a breeze, just wipe with a damp cloth and they will shine like a new, plus they are stain resistant. Even they are sound insulation, these panels provide some sound insulation which keep our home silent. It has some little bit of drawbacks like it is low heat resistance, so these panels can withstand high temperature, cannot withstand with the high temperature, so avoid using them in kitchens. Another is disadvantages is that they look like synthetic, so while they come in a wooden finish they may be look slightly synthetic compared to WPC lowers or natural wood. Another one is a lower durability in high traffic areas. They are not recommended for high traffic areas where they are the risk of the damage. These panels aren't recommended for outdoor use as they don't hold up well against the weather changes. So friends, these are the disadvantages. So my suggestion is this: if you want a beautiful look in a budget, so these panels are perfectly for you. If you can expense more, if you want a premium look, then you can go with the WPC panels or PVC panels, or even in the now UV marble sheets, stone wall cladding designs. So friends, are you ready to transform your walls with these fluted panels? Drop a comment box, and if you found this helpful, comment below, and still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, thank you for watching. We will see you again next video. Thank you once again. So friends, please subscribe to this channel. We are close to 3,50,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.